Namaste. I, JVN Dr. Juhi Singh, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Department, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Today's our topic is primary metabolites of Unit 5 in BPharm 4th semester Pharmacognosy. A plant cell produces two types of metabolites: primary metabolites, which involves directly in the growth and metabolism; secondary metabolites that consider as an end products of the primary metabolite and involve in metabolic activity. The group of pathways synthesizing simpler but essential molecules of normal physiological growth and energy requirement of the plant is called primary metabolism, and the product called them primary metabolites. They are widely distributed in nature and also utilized as food by the man. Primary metabolites such as carbohydrate, organic and amino acids, vitamins and hormones, flavonoids, phenolic and glucosinolates are essential for the plant growth, development and stress adaptation to them. Besides the importance of the plant itself, such as metabolite, determines the nutritional quality of food, color, taste, smell, antioxidative, anti-cancerogenic, lowering, lipid lowering property. For example, carbohydrate are biological molecules consist of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen atoms, usually with the hydrogen oxygen atoms ratio 2:1 as in water. In other words, with empirical formula like CmH2ON, where the M is could be the different form of N. This formula hold true monosaccharides. Some expectations exist. A vitamin is an organic compound and a vital nutrient that is organism requires in limited amount. An organic chemical compound or related set of compounds is called vitamin. When an organism cannot synthesize the compound in sufficient quantities, it must be obtained through the diet. But the term vitamin is conditional upon the circumstances and a particular organism. The glucosinolates are the natural components of many pungent plants such as mustard, cabbage and horseradish. The pungency of those plants is due to mustard oil produce the glucosinolates when the plant material is chewed, cut and otherwise damaged. These natural chemicals most likely contribute the plant defense against the pests and diseases, but they enjoy its small amount of humans and believe in to contribute to the health promoting properties of cruciferous vegetables. Liquid chromatography (LC) is the form of chromatography that allows separation of the complex mixtures of both semi and non-volatile compounds based on slight difference in solubility between the chemical. Creative proteomics offer you a state-of-the-art liquid separation performed that include standard LC like liquid chromatography with the frequency with the separation mechanism to quantify primary metabolites. Identification, a detailed technical report will be provided at the end of the whole project, include the experimental procedure, instrumental parameter, analytics analytes are reported as UgMg tissues. CTs are generally 10%. The names of the analytes, abbreviation, formula, molecular weight would also be included in the report with integrity, set of separation, characterization, identification, quantification system features with excellent robustness, reproducibility, high ultrasensitive, creative, proteomic, provide reliable, rapid, cost-effective plant, primary metabolites, targeted metabolomic services, how to place an order, send an inquiry, customized experiment, design, place an order, project begin, analytic report delivery. If your organization requires singing of a confidentiality agreement. This is all about this topic. Let's start the next topic, carbohydrate. The group of the compound composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, in which the later two elements are in the same proportion as in water, that is hydrate of the carbon. They are polyhydroxyaldehyde, polyhydroxyketone, or a compound that is hydrolysis produce either of the water component. The classification is simple sugar, that is saccharides. Monosaccharides include monosaccharide, example like tetrosis, example ethose. Pentose simple sugar is ribose. Hexose, aldose, example glucose. Ketose, example like fructose. Haptose, glucohaptose. Glycoside, about disaccharides, sucrose, maltose, lactose. Trisaccharides, raffinose. Tetrasaccharide, sectose, chitose. Polysaccharide, starch and cellulose. Test for the carbohydrates, spelling test, Morris test, ozone formation, Selivanov test, test for the pentoses, Keller-Kilani test for deoxy sugar, Furfural test, agar, Japanese synonyms is agar, Japanese aceglass, vegetable gelatin. Biological source is derived from the gelatinous substances obtained from the Gelidinium and amansi. Chemical constituencies agarose and agaraptopectin. Agarose is a natural galactose polymer free from the sulfate, responsible for the gel strength and contain alternate residue of 3 to 6 and hydro-L-lactose, D-galactose, agarobiose. Agaropectin is a sulfonated polysaccharide which is, in which the galactose and uronic acid partially esterified with the sulfur acid and is responsible for the agar viscosity. Identification test, solubility test, swells in cold water, dissolve in hot water and is formed gel on the cooling. Test for the mucilage, pink color with the ruthenium red. Test for the sugar, positive Fehling test, red precipitate with the potassium hydroxide, can be yellow color. With the iodine solution, deep crimsons to the brown color, using emulsifying agent, bulk laxative. Acacia is gum acacia, gum arabic Indian gum. Biological source, it is dried gum obtained from the stem, branches of Acacia arabica, leguminosa. Acacia and powder. Chemical constituent arabin, calcium with the traces of magnesium and potassium salt of the arabic acid. Arabic acid is a branched polysaccharide that yield L-arabinose, L-lactose, L-glucosonic acids, L-arhaminose on the hydrolysis. Also called the enzymes oxidase, peroxidase, pectinase. About 40% of the water content. Identification test is solubility test, soluble in water. With the lead acetate, no precipitation should be formed. With the iodine solution, no reaction occur. Uses general stabilizer in the emulsion, demulcents. Next is honey. This is called as honey, madhu, purified malt, and malt. Biological source, it is the sugar secretion deposit in the hives, bee, apis mellifera in the cell, the honeycomb. Collection preparation of the honey, the worker bee suck the nectar and the flower, 25% sucrose, 75% water through its hollow tube of the mouth and deposit in the honey sac located in the abdomen. The enzymes present in the saliva of bee converted nectar into inert sugar, which is partially utilized by the bee, remaining deposit into the honeycomb. Honeycomb is smoked to remove the bees and honey obtained by applying the pressure or by allowing to drain naturally. Honey of the comber heated to 80 degrees and allowed to strand. Purified honey, BP, prepared by melting honey at the moderate temperature, skimming of any impurities which collect on standing and diluting with the water to weigh of 1.35 to 1.36 gram per ml at the 20 degree Celsius. Chemical constituents of honey is that honey is an aqueous solution of glucose 35%, fructose 45%, and the sucrose 2%. Also contain a small amount of essential oil, between bee waxes, pollen grains, coloring pigment, enzyme stale and invertase. Identification test, solubility test, soluble in water. Phallic test is known as the purity of honey. Impurity honey and impure honey contain furfural, which gives the red color with the resveratrol of NaCl. Demulcent and sweetening agent, common ingredients of the cough mixture, antibacterial. Tarragon, synonyms like gum tarragon, tarragon gum, dragon ron. Biological source, it is dried gummy exudations by the incision of the stem or branches of Astragalus gummiferia. Chemical constituent tragacanth 8 to 10% with water soluble fractions. It contains 50% methoxy group which swell in the water and cause a high viscosity of the gum. Basurin 60 to 70% water insoluble fraction. The hydrolytic products of the tragacanth are galactose-uric acid and D-galactopyranose, L-arabinose, D-xylopyranose. Identification with the ferric chloride, deep yellow precipitate with the ruthenium red, no pink strain. With the potash, carony yellow color. With the iodine solution, green color. Uses like demulcents, emollients, thickening, suspending, emulsifying agents. And that is all about this carbohydrates. What we have seen the tragacanth, about the tragacanth, synonyms of the tragacanth is gum tragacanth, biological sources from the stems and branches, its families Leguminosae. Some tests are there of tragacanth and all those constituents like uses is emulsant, emollients, thickening and swelling, suspending, emulsifying agents. So that is all about the topic what we have seen in the carbohydrates. So in the next topic we continue this topic about the other carbohydrates or other constituents, other part of the unit. Okay, so that is all about this topic. So thank you so much. If you have any query, just comment below.